Welcome to Carz Trends, where design meets performance, and driving becomes an experience. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a car that brings top-down thrills, razor-sharp handling, and German precision into one beautifully sculpted roadster. This is the BMW Z4, a machine that's part sculpture, part sports car, and all about the joy of driving. Whether you're seeking open-air weekend escapes or everyday performance, the Z4 delivers a driving experience unlike anything else in its class. Buckle up, this one's a true driver's machine. The BMW Z4 represents a refined evolution of the open-top two-seater, tracing its lineage back to the Z3 and earlier roadsters that defined BMW's commitment to pure driving engagement. With the latest G29 generation, BMW has struck a harmonious balance between comfort, agility, and classic roadster proportions, all while embracing modern technology and performance. Let's begin under the hood, because performance is at the very core of the Z4's identity. In the US market, the Z4 is offered in two primary variants, the S-Drive 30i and the M40i. The S-Drive 30i is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 producing 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. With a curb weight just under 3,300 pounds, it's quick, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.2 seconds. It's smooth, efficient, and surprisingly fun. But the star of the lineup is the Z4 M40i. Beneath its sculpted hood lies a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6, BMW's legendary B58 engine, cranking out 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds, putting it in true sports car territory. Power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels via an 8-speed ZF automatic, one of the quickest, most refined transmissions in the business. There's no manual transmission option in the US, but paddle shifters and sport modes deliver an engaging experience nonetheless. Handling is classic BMW. A near-perfect 50/50 weight distribution, low center of gravity, and adaptive M suspension give the Z4 poise and responsiveness in the corners. Whether you're carving through mountain switchbacks or sweeping freeway on-ramps, the Z4 remains flat, composed, and delightfully communicative. Steering is quick and accurate, with enough feedback to let you feel the road without being twitchy. Optional M Sport brakes, available on both trims, add track-worthy stopping power and confidence. Now let's talk design. The Z4's exterior is unmistakably bold, with a long hood, short overhangs, wide stance, and a classic double-bubble soft-top profile. The front grille, a modern take on BMW's kidney design, is aggressive yet elegant. Adaptive LED headlights and functional air vents enhance its performance credibility. Drop the top, which takes just 10 seconds at speeds up to 31 miles per hour, and you're treated to open-air freedom with the chassis stiffness of a hardtop coupe. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and sport. The driver-focused cockpit wraps around you with premium materials, soft leather, brushed aluminum, and available carbon fiber accents. The Z4's standard Live Cockpit Professional includes a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a matching center display, running the intuitive iDrive 7 system with voice control, real-time navigation, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Every button and surface feels meticulously designed for comfort and performance. Seats are low, supportive, and bolstered, perfect for spirited driving. Heated seats are standard, with ventilated and lumbar options available. The wind deflector works beautifully at highway speeds, making top-down cruising surprisingly quiet and refined. Trunk space is also generous for a roadster, offering 9.9 cubic feet even with the roof down, enough for two. Carry-ons are a weekend getaway bag. But the Z4 isn't just about driving, it's about owning a piece of the BMW performance legacy. And that brings us to what it means to own a BMW Z4 in the US. Pricing starts at $54,000 for the S-Drive 30i and around $67,000 for the M40i. Well-optioned models can push over $70,000 with packages like the Executive Package, adds ambient lighting, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, and Shadowline trim. But compared to competitors like the Porsche 718 Boxster or Audi TT RS, the Z4 offers strong value, especially considering its powertrain and tech suite. Insurance rates for the Z4 range from $1,500 to $3,500 annually depending on trim, driver history, and location. The M40i variant tends to carry higher premiums due to its performance capabilities, but it's still less than what many pay for comparable sports cars in this bracket. Maintenance-wise, BMW includes its Ultimate Care scheduled maintenance plan, covering factory-recommended service for 3 years or 36,000 miles. Oil changes, brake fluid flushes, cabin air filters, and spark plugs are all included. After that, owners can purchase extended coverage or pay for service. An oil change typically costs around $200 minus $250 out of pocket, and brake pads around $500 per axle. Fuel economy is another highlight. The S-Drive 30i is EPA rated at 25 mpg city and 32 mpg highway. The M40i returns 22 mpg city and 30 highway, impressive considering the performance. A full tank offers over 400 miles of range, making the Z4 a viable option for long-distance trips. Resale value remains strong. BMW's Roadsters have always been enthusiast favorites, and the current Z4 is no exception. M40i models, especially those with low mileage and clean options, tend to retain their value better than base models. And with the manual transmission option available in Europe but not the US, American Z4 M40i coupes have become particularly desirable to collectors and purists alike. Now let's compare the Z4 to its rivals. Against the Porsche 718 Boxster, the BMW offers more power for less money, and more tech. The Audi TT RS is quick, but lacks the Z4's rear-wheel drive dynamics and balance. The Mercedes SLC is no longer in production, and the Mazda MX-5, while brilliant, lives in a different price and performance bracket. Simply put, the Z4 offers one of the best blends of luxury, performance, and value in the modern roadster segment. BMW also gives Z4 buyers access to the BMW Performance Driving School, a track experience that teaches owners how to get the most out of their car in a safe, controlled environment. Owners also enjoy concierge services, exclusive events, and BMW's global brand prestige, making it more than a purchase but a lifestyle choice. Customization is a major plus. BMW offers a wide color palette including San Francisco red, Misano blue, and Alpine white. Interior trims range from Cognac Bernasca leather to Alcantara with contrast stitching. M Sport upgrades include aerodynamic body kits, upgraded wheels, and sportier interior detailing. For aftermarket lovers, the Z4 has become a platform for tuners, with AQ upgrades, COI lovers, aero kits, and custom exhausts widely available. Driving the Z4 is an experience that's hard to replicate. The acceleration is linear and urgent, the steering precise, and the chassis eager to play. Whether you're running errands or tackling a canyon, the Z4 turns every drive into an event. And with the roof down, that event becomes a celebration. So, what kind of person buys a BMW Z4? They're the kind of driver who values freedom, not just in how they drive, but in how they live. They appreciate sharp engineering and clean design. They want a car that's as comfortable cruising downtown as it is cutting through curves, and they want a nameplate that carries heritage, prestige, and performance in equal measure. Before we close, let's recap what makes the BMW Z4 such a compelling roadster in 2025 and beyond. It delivers class-leading powertrains in both 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder trims. It combines agility and refinement like few others in its segment. It features